Hi guys, welcome back to Shama Saba. I'm going to be demonstrating you guys how I got my hair from looking like this into doing some two-strand twists. So if you guys just want to grab some coffee, grab a pet, whatever, do whatever it is that you have to. If you guys have any locks like me, this is a really quick and easy style to get your hair from looking like regular twist style, just regular locks, to just doing this cute little spring summertime style. So if you guys are interested, please keep watching. So this style, I'm just grabbing, this kind of came down. I'm just grabbing 4 locks and just regularly twisting it. And whatever length that you want to wear this at, so I think I want to have it maybe shoulder length, so I'm just gonna grab the first 2. I'm gonna keep wrapping. Get a rubber band. And just loop it twice, because I don't really want it to get too tight. And where this little flyaways are, I just kind of tuck them underneath the rubber band. And so I'm just gonna do this for all of my hair, and I'll be right back with you guys. This is the final look. I'm gonna turn around in the back so you guys can check it out. So yes, I just grabbed 4 strands of my hair. I just twisted until I got to a certain length. I grabbed a rubber band, I just like looped it twice. So yeah, this is such a really quick, easy style. It took me like 10 to 15 minutes to do all of this. I have to go off camera so I can focus and pay attention in the mirror. But yeah, so I would normally have this style like to the side like this, or I take one over here, be extra, tuck it to the back or whatever. But then also I want to see how it looks in the middle. Let's see. I don't know if I'm not feeling her in the middle like this though. I'll have to probably go back in and move some things around so it can get a little flat at the top. But yeah, let me take this back to the side. To this side, so. Okay, let's see how it look like this. So I'm gonna wear it to this side right now. But so yeah, you guys, let me know in the comments if you like this hairstyle, as well as if you have any hairstyle ideas. Leave me down in the comments so I could probably make a video about it, or maybe I'm interested in doing this so I can see how it looks. And as well as yeah, just give me any topics. If you guys like any hair type of topics, let me know. Any discussion topics, let me know as well. I want to keep you guys engaged. I want to keep you guys attention. And as well as let's get me to 400 subscribers. You guys can do this even if you guys are just like popping in, just seeing me. Hit that subscribe button. Just hit that subscribe button. It's free. It's not gonna do anything. If you guys have any comments, if you guys have any ideas, any questions, let them know. Let me know at the bottom of the chat. Like, comment, subscribe, and as always, peace.